It's a crucial liquid antibiotic used by parents when their kids are struck down with respiratory illnesses. But tonight, clarithromycin is in short supply.
It is a real worry when you wake up in the morning and you hear your child coughing to know that you might not be able to get the medication that the doctors prescribe to them that will help them get better.
When we write a prescription, we like to think there's going to be someone able to supply it. And if we can't get that, that undermines the whole confidence in the medical system.
Clarithromycin is commonly used for chest infections like pneumonia, skin infections and whooping cough, a serious disease which is sweeping the state. Cases are 7 times higher than this time last year.
There's a risk that the outbreak of whooping cough is going to be worse if we don't have these antibiotics.
Although this antibiotic is the best option for some patients, pharmacists say there are other drugs that may be able to treat their condition.
Chat with the doctor and find out what's being treated and then what's going to be the most effective medicine in their opinion.
I'm really surprised that we have such a shortage in Australia. I've lived overseas in third world countries and I expect shortages there, but I do not expect shortages like that in Australia.
Ashley Kanowski, 7 News.